So hello everyone. So now we are discussing about the physics topic work done. So in this work done topic, we have one scenario is there. So that is work done by the constant force. So here, so work done by the constant force. So here I am applying the constant force. So constant force is nothing but the force is, so it is not increasing or decreasing, it is constant value. The value is here the constant value. So let us take an example. So to discuss about the work done by the constant force. So here I am taking example. Here I am taking a block. So here I am applying the force on this block in this direction. So I am applying the force on the block in this direction. But the block is moving in horizontal direction. So this is displacement direction. So how can I find the work done in this block? So how can I find? So basically the formula of the work done we already know. Work done is equal to force into displacement s. But in this scenario it is not enough data to solve this problem. So basically here applying the force, but the block is moving in the direction, displacement direction. So in this formula, so here in detail, so force along the displacement direction, we need to take the force along the displacement direction. This is displacement direction, right? So basically the block is moving in, so the displacement direction, nothing but horizontal direction. So we need to know about the horizontal direction force. So force is nothing but here the force along displacement direction. Displacement direction into next to displacement. So here we know about the only force along the direction. We don't know about the force along the displacement direction. So this direction. So how can I find the force along the displacement direction? This horizontal direction. So we can find the. So this is making angle theta. So here we can solve this. So cos theta equal to, we can write, this is horizontal direction fx force, this is vertical direction force is Fy. So we need to find the fx. So cos theta is equal to, so adjacent side fx by hypotenuse fx is equal to f cos theta. So same way, so here Fy is equal to f sin theta. So here the force along displacement direction is what? Fx. Fx is equal to f cos theta. Here the force along the displacement direction is what? F cos theta. So now I am substituting here this formula f cos theta. Next, the displacement is s. So it is moving displacement is s. So we can write as the fs cos theta. So we can write it as the fs cos theta. So here the theta is the angle between these two, right? So next scenario. So next one, work done by the external force. So work done by the external force. So next topic. So external force. So whenever I am applying the force externally, so suppose if I am lifting this object upward direction, nothing but here I am applying force externally. So So we need to find the work done by the external force. Whenever you are applying the force externally, so in that scenario you need to find the work done. So suppose here I am lifting this block, suppose upward direction. The force is acting upward direction and the displacement. So the object is also moves in upward direction, right? So here in this scenario, the both force and displacement are in same direction. So here we need to substitute the formula. So what an F is equal to force. Here the force is what? External force here I am applying. Nothing but F external into displacement S cos theta. Here the theta is the 0 degrees. Why? Because the angle between displacement and force is 0 degrees here. So here I am substituting the Fs cos 0. So cos 0 is what? 1. Nothing but work done is equal to Fs. So this is positive value. Nothing but, so work done by the external force here it is a positive work done. So next topic. So work done by the gravitational force. So work done by the gravitational force. Suppose same scenario. So here I am lifting this object upward direction. Means, so I am applying the force externally upward direction, but here the downward direction also one force is acting downward to pull this object in downward direction. So what is that force? So that force is gravitational force. Here we need to find the work done by gravitational force. So work done by the gravitational force. Here I am lifting this object in upward direction, but the force is, the gravitational force is pulling this object in downward direction. So that is force due to gravitation, Fg. So Fg is equal to, we can write as mg. So we need to apply the formula. What done is equal to force due to gravitation Fg into S cos theta. Here Fg is what? Mg. Mg is cos theta. Here the angle between the displacement and so force is 180 degrees. So we get the theta is equal to 180 degrees. Here the theta is equal to 180 degrees. Here you need to substitute the theta in this formula. So we can get the cos 180 is minus 1. So finally we get the work done due to gravity is equal to minus mg s. So here we are getting the minus sign. Means it is a negative work done. So the work done due to the gravitation is a negative work done. So this is work done by the gravitational force. So this is work done due to the external force. So this is about the work done topic.